noticed in this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a powerful 8-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.